Welcome back to NeuronNet.ai, a place to learn about emerging tech. Today, we'll be discussing how you can become a conversational designer in just under 3 minutes. So if you're interested in designing engaging and effective chatbots or voice assistants, stick around. First things first, you need to understand the basics of conversational design. It's all about crafting natural and intuitive interactions between users and AI-powered systems. To get started, familiarize yourself with conversational UI, AI technologies, and principles of human-computer interaction. Next, learn the tools of the trade. There are numerous platforms out there that can help you design conversational experiences. Some popular ones include Dialogflow, Microsoft Bot Framework, and Rasa. Experiment with these tools to create simple chatbots and voice assistants, and get hands-on experience. A crucial skill for any conversational designer is UX writing. It's all about crafting the right messages to guide users through a smooth and enjoyable experience. Study effective writing techniques, practice writing conversational scripts, and learn to anticipate user responses. One of the most important qualities of a successful conversational designer is empathy. You need to understand user needs and emotions to create meaningful interactions. Practice active listening and adopt a user-centered design approach to develop this skill. As with any creative field, having a strong portfolio is key. Showcase your best conversational design projects, including chatbots and voice assistants you've designed. If you're just starting out, create mock projects to demonstrate your skills and understanding of the process. Finally, make connections in the industry and never stop learning. Join online communities, attend meetups, and take courses to stay updated on the latest trends and best practices. Networking can help you find job opportunities, while continuous learning keeps your skills sharp. And that's it. Follow these 6 steps, and you'll be on your way to becoming a successful conversational designer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more great content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.